Hey everybody, this is Cash Mojo, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to build an online business on Autopilot while traveling the world with 10 ideas. Before we get started, be sure to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon so you don't miss out on these kind of videos. Be sure to stick until the end of the video because I'm going to show you the #1 way to build an online business whether you are traveling or not, because this is probably, if not, the best business idea to start in 2022. Now let's get straight into the video. One of the main reasons most people want to have a successful online business is to have financial freedom and the freedom to afford whatever they want. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build an online business on Autopilot while traveling the world now with 10 ideas. Number 10, starting an e-commerce business. If you're thinking of starting an e-commerce business, one of the most important decisions you'll make is where to locate your distribution center. There are a number of factors to consider in making this decision, including shipping costs, taxes, and the availability of labor. In general, it's best to locate your distribution center in a central location that is close to your target market. This will help minimize shipping costs and ensure that your products arrive quickly and efficiently. Additionally, it's important to consider the tax implications of any potential locations. Some states have favorable tax laws for businesses than others, so be sure to do your research before making a final decision. Finally, it's important to consider the availability of labor when choosing a location for your distribution center. If you're in an area with a high unemployment rate, you may be able to find workers who are willing to take on long hours for relatively low pay. However, if you're in an area with a low unemployment rate, you may have to pay workers higher wages in order to attract and retain them. No matter what location you choose, be sure to carefully consider all of these factors before making a final decision. Number 9, create, flip, and sell NFT. NFTs have been all the rage lately, and for a good reason. They're a new and exciting way to collect and trade digital assets, and they're also incredibly easy to create and sell. If you're looking to get involved in the world of NFTs, here's what you need to know. First, let's talk about creating an NFT. This could be as simple as uploading an image or video file to a blockchain platform like Ethereum. Once your file is uploaded, it will be given a unique ID that can be used to track and verify it. You can then add this NFT to an online marketplace or an exchange where others can buy and sell it. Flipping an NFT is also relatively easy. If you find an NFT that you think will increase in value over time, you can simply hold on to it and sell it later for a profit. Of course, you'll need to do your research to make sure that the NFT you're buying is actually worth investing in. Finally, selling an NFT is just as easy as buying or flipping one. You can list your NFT for sale on any number of online platforms, and buyers will be able to purchase it and you'll get paid. Number 8, selling on multiple marketplaces. When it comes to selling online, marketplaces like Amazon and eBay are some of the most popular options, and for good reason. They boast a huge customer base and offer a range of features to help you list and sell your products. However, there are also a few things to be aware of before getting started. For one, you'll need to be comfortable with the fees charged by the marketplace. These can be depending on the platform you use, but typically include listing fees as well as a percentage of each sale. You'll also need to factor in the cost of shipping, as this will be added to the price of your product. In addition, it's important to note that marketplaces are very competitive. You'll need to make sure your product stands out from the crowd in order to attract buyers. With all this in mind, selling on a marketplace can be a great way to reach a wide audience and make some extra cash. Just be sure to do your research beforehand and see if it's the right fit for you. Number 7, print on demand. There's no need to invest inventory or rent space to store it. Print on demand (POD) is an innovative way to offer printing services that reduce costs and increase flexibility for businesses. With POD (print on demand), you can print only the amount of copies your customers need without having a large inventory sitting around in storage facilities or being used as paperweight, and send you print-ready PDFs, which you can order from them in any quantity desired. Even just one copy, they will print the shirt only when an order has been placed and ship it directly to your customer. You don't have to keep any inventory on hand, so there's no risk if your shirt doesn't sell. Most POD publishers also provide additional services like marketing and distribution support, so you can focus on crafting your next masterpiece. So if you're ready to take the plunge into self-publishing, print on demand may be the way to go. Number 6, crowdfunding real estate online. These days, it seems like you can crowdfund just about anything, from startups to film projects. More and more people are turning to the internet to raise money for their ventures, and now real estate investors are getting in on the action. Thanks to platforms like Reality Share and Fundrise, it's easier than ever for average people to invest in properties. But what exactly is crowdfunding real estate, and how does it work? Essentially, crowdfunding real estate allows investors to pool their money and buy property together. This can be a great way to get started in real estate investing because it allows you to spread the risk across multiple people. And because you're investing with other people's money, you can potentially get involved in deals that you wouldn't be able to finance on your own. Of course, there are some risks associated with crowdfunding real estate. For one thing, you're essentially entrusting your money to strangers, and because these platforms are relatively new, there's always the possibility that something could go wrong. But if you do your homework and choose a reputable platform, crowdfunding real estate can be a great way to get started in the world of investing. Number 5, Amazon FBA. Amazon FBA is a popular fulfillment method for online sellers. When you sell on Amazon FBA, you ship your products to Amazon's fulfillment center, and then Amazon stores, picks, packs, and ships your products for you. One of the benefits of selling on Amazon FBA is that it allows you to take advantage of Amazon's massive customer base. Plus, customers tend to trust products that are fulfilled by Amazon, which can help increase your sales. And because customers can get their orders faster with Amazon FBA, they're more likely to be satisfied with their purchase, which could lead to repeat business. If you're thinking about selling on Amazon FBA, be sure to do your research and choose a fulfillment method that makes sense for your business. Number 4, selling online courses on Udemy or Skillshare. With the popularity of online learning increasing, there are many different platforms that you can use to sell your courses, Udemy and Skillshare. Udemy and Skillshare are two of the most popular options. Both platforms allow you to create and sell courses on a wide variety of topics. Udemy has a global audience and offers a 70 through 80% revenue share for each course sold. Skillshare is more focused on creative courses and offers a revenue split of 50-50 for each course sold. When choosing a platform to sell your course, it's important to consider your target audience and the type of course you're offering. Udemy is a good option if you want to reach a large audience and don't mind giving up a larger percentage of your course sales. Skillshare is a good option if you're focused on creative courses and are willing to give up a 50% revenue split in exchange for exposure to their community of creatives. Deciding which platform to use will depend on a number of factors, including the type of course you're offering in your target market. But whichever platform you choose, make sure you create a course that is high quality and provides value to your students. Number 3, creating and selling apps. Anyone with a great idea for an app can become a developer and make money from their innovations. The process is simple. Create the app, list it for sale on the App Store, and start making money. But of course, the actual process of creating and selling an app is a bit more complicated than that. First, you need to come up with a great idea for an app. Then, you need to design and develop the app, making sure that it's user-friendly and appealing to customers. Once the app is finished, you will need to submit it to the App Store for approval. Once it is approved, customers will be able to download and purchase your app. Finally, you will need to promote your app to ensure that people are aware of its existence and know how to find it in the App Store. By following these steps, you can make money by creating and selling apps. Number 2, affiliate marketing. Many people dream of starting their own business, and affiliate marketing can be a great way to do just that. As an affiliate, you earn a commission on sales of products that you promote. The good news is that there are plenty of products to choose from, so you can find something that aligns with your interests. And because you're not manufacturing or stocking inventory, your startup costs can be relatively low. However, it's important to remember that success as an affiliate takes time and effort. You'll need to build up a following of potential customers and learn how to market your products effectively. If you're interested in starting affiliate marketing, I recommend selling affiliate products from ClickBank or Digistore24. Before we get to number 1, be sure to like and subscribe if you like what you're getting from this video. Now back to the video. Number 1, sell affiliate products and merch on YouTube. If you're a YouTuber, you may be thinking about ways to make money from your channel. One option is to sell affiliate products or merch. This can be a great way to monetize your channel and provide value to your viewers. There are a few things to keep in mind if you're thinking about selling affiliate products or merch on YouTube. First, you need to make sure that the products you're promoting are relevant to your audience and niche. Second, you need to be transparent with your viewers about any commissions or kickbacks you receive. Finally, it's important to create quality content that will encourage people to click on your links. and buy the products you're recommending. If you follow these guidelines, selling affiliate products or merch on YouTube can be a great way to earn income from your channel. Just be sure to choose products carefully, promote them effectively, and always put your viewers' needs first. Now, if you're serious about starting an automated YouTube channel and making passive income, we have a YouTube course that'll teach you how to make a faceless YouTube channel and automate the entire process. Click the link in the description to get started now, and don't miss out on this growing opportunity. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of making money online and much more. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos for making passive income online, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.